Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought today I will show you guys what I bought from Missguided. So let's get into it. Please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. The first one that I want to show you guys is this gorgeous pocket detail cargo trousers in the color black. I got the UK size 8. And as you will see, it's got this beautiful high waistline. The legs are slightly long on me, but I feel like with cargo trousers, you don't want it to be too perfect anyway. It's got these massive pockets, which I love. And down by the sides as well, there are these other pockets that you can shut with drawstrings. They're kind of like balloon pants, if you know what I mean. The waistline is very stretchy, so if you get a size larger or smaller, I feel like you can kind of still make it work. There's so much space, there's so much airiness, but at the same time it's got good coverage that it gives me warmth as well. You can dress this up or down, so you can wear tees with it or a crop top. I chose this beautiful skin hugging top. I bought this ages ago, but I didn't really wear it with anything. It kind of gives me like a sport chic vibe. So I'm pairing this up first with this denim jacket. I love the contrast of colors with the denim versus black. And I also love the contrast of the material as well. And it gives this super casual vibe. Or if you're heading into kind of spring or winter like New Zealand, you can pair this up with your favorite puffer jacket. I got this jacket from Japan actually, and as you can see, it heightens the look. And the fact that the pants are black means that I can just pair it up with literally anything. So I'm really glad that I bought this, and I'm just gonna have fun with it. The second thing I bought is this beautiful blue oversized smock sweater dress. Give me anything baggy any day, I would love it. Especially these smock dresses, I have been loving. It feels very comfortable and the material feels like it's very good quality as well. I got this in the size UK 6 because this is meant to be oversized anyway, so I thought I would go a size lower. I love the sleeves as well. It kind of balloons out and has these cuffs at the end. Even though it's quite plain, I feel like the pleats down the bottom just make the whole dress. And it's super flowy, so I feel like twirling the whole time that I'm wearing it. Now you can see that the waist here, where the pleats are, is actually lower than where my waist is. So if you really want some contour to your body, you can use just a plain belt. It kind of gives this illusion that your waist is very, very slim. And again, this is so versatile, so you can wear this in summer or in winter. So because the weather here is colder, when I wear this, I'm gonna be wearing tights and black boots. You can dress it up or down depending on where you're going. It's just one of those cozy dresses that you feel like wearing again and again. The next item is a jacket. It's a faux fur bomber jacket in the color camel, and I got the UK size 8. I wish you guys could feel it and wear it because it is so soft and super warm, which is perfect for kind of spring and winter time that's coming. This is actually under the Missguided petite section, so maybe I should have gone a size down, but that's okay because I love oversized jackets and you can just wear anything under it and it won't be too tight. I love the feel of this, and I love that it has pockets as well. I hate when jackets or pants or anything actually doesn't have pockets. It doesn't have a hood attached to it, but it does have this collar that you can kind of pull up if your neck is cold. It has a zip and these drawstrings at the bottom that you can use to tighten it. There's an inner lining which is super comfortable on the skin, and the lining kind of extends to the sleeves as well. I can just see myself wearing this way too much. It is one of those jackets that you'd want to be a bit careful with because I feel like it's going to wear out quite soon. So let's see if this survives till next winter as well. The next one is a short sleeve drawstring jogger and it's in the color blue. I got the size UK 8 again. I feel like UK size 8 is a safe size for me. This again kind of feels like the Smock Dress. It's very comfortable on the skin and feels like very good quality as well. I do like the short sleeve because the next one I'm going to show you is going to be a long sleeve. So I just wanted a bit of a change. I have been wanting loungewear for so long, and I feel like especially during this quarantine time when we mostly stay at home, I want to wear something really comfortable but also fashionable at the same time. It has a zip at the back which goes halfway through the torso, and the first time I wore this I actually wore it the wrong way around, so with the zip at the front, which I still think is a cool thing to do. Like if you want to change it up a little bit, you can wear it the other way. The waist kind of does come down, but I think that's because I am fairly short. If you want this to kind of hug your figure, you can use the drawstrings, but I mean, I feel like with these ones, I just want to be as comfortable as possible, and I just can't wait to have lots of chill sessions wearing this. This last one is again something that I really love. It's a color block zip front jumpsuit in the color black, and it's again UK size 8. I think this is just beautiful. I love the color block with the gray and the white. Again, like the other one, this waist is super stretchy, which is something that you need with loungewear, and it's got the drawstrings as well if you want to kind of clutch at your waist. It's got a little cuff at the sleeves, and I freaking love the fact that the sleeves are quite wide. I didn't want something that was kind of skin tight because that to me is not loungewear, that's not comfortable. The legs in this are quite long again, but it does have these cuffs at the end that you can use to roll up. And just wearing these makes me want to have a dance party by myself. Why not? They are super comfortable, so if you are looking for some good jumpsuits that you can wear just to chill, have a look, because I'm really happy that I got these and I can just see myself wearing them pretty much every day. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I have been loving these. They are so comfy to wear and the quality of the material is really nice. I'll make sure that all the links for these ones are down in the description box below. This is my natural hair, by the way. It's right after washing. It's very curly and it kind of calms down afterwards. Pretty sure a lot of you guys can relate. Yeah, I'm just trying to embrace my curly hair. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you to see how you guys are going. There's a lot of things that are happening around the world depending on where you are, and it can get to the best of us. Just make sure that you talk to somebody if you're feeling low, if you are feeling like you're not coping, because you are definitely not the only one who's feeling that way. And also just give yourselves some priority, especially during this time when we have that time and space to kind of reflect on ourselves, on our situations. Self-love is where it's at, so make sure that you practice it because you deserve it. By the way, the skincare video is gonna be released soon. I just haven't had the time to do it, but it's coming very soon, don't worry. I'm really excited for you guys to see the products that I have been loving. Love you guys as always, and I will see you with another video very soon. Bye guys.